Welcome everybody. My name is Gia.
And I'm Keely.
And welcome to the group chat.
Okay, so today's episode is called Who Does It Better?
So who does it better? Today is actually a gender challenge. And today our friend Sean
Welcome everybody.
is gonna be helping us to complete this gender war challenge. So I don't know about you guys, but for the girls at home, I don't know if you guys have ever changed a tire, but today we're here to make you guys proud. So Sean, let's get straight into it.
Let's do it.
No, sir, hold on there. I can't come out of the car. Oh, I can change the tire. That's crazy. Whew, thank you. But, sir, I'll be a gentleman. Oh, God.
Goddamn.
All right.
Okay, so
which one of the tires we're
first
changing?
things first. I'm guessing it's this one, but
Yeah, man.
where are the tools?
I got to pull the trunk. Put this there.
What's going on?
We're pulling
There
the
we
trunk.
go. There we go. All right.
Get the tools and loose the nut.
Interesting.
Somebody get him. All right, so what we need? Them just also the Nova case
The
or
tire iron.
crazy. Oh my gosh.
What's this called?
The crank.
The crank.
Yeah.
Um.
And this is a jack.
Okay.
Oh, ow.
Oh no. Really?
All right. The thing is, I've seen all of these things before, but you know, I've never used them because I'm
Never
just a
used
girl.
them. Just a girl.
How did you learn to change that tire, Sean?
Years and years of experience.
Okay, so you had to just learn for yourself. No, but you
Learned
weren't
with my mom.
taught.
I learned with my mom.
Your
mom?
mom taught you.
She didn't teach me. I was
Women
just
winning
on the
once
road.
again.
I had to learn
She
very
had a
quickly.
flat tire one day
Yeah.
and you just
Just learn how
had
to
to
do it
fill
on
the
the
road.
fly.
What are you
Okay.
doing, Sean?
Jacking it up. I have to find there.
So there's a
spot there.
specific spot where the jack goes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's take it turn it up like this first. I'm just trying to catch it right now because we have to loose the, you know what I mean?
Okay.
The thing is, you know, I know the process, right? I've never had to physically do it
Yeah.
because, you know, I'm cute and people just always do it for me.
You're a girl.
Yeah, exactly.
For sure.
For
People see on the side of the road, they're just like, yo, can I help?
No.
I feel sorry for men that like have car issues on the side of the road. 'Cause Nobody stops for
Nobody's
them.
stopping.
Which is.
And then if
which
you're
is
driving
like,
a car as a man and you don't know how to change a tire, that's kind of wild.
No, they see, we need to stop that,
Don't
guys.
attack the people
We need to
at
be
home.
there for
the
each
men that
other.
don't know how to change a tire. The men at home, why don't
Work
you know
harder.
how to change a tire? You don't drive a car?
Do better.
Okay, so what's going on now? Wait, you know, the nothing else?
I have to use this key
Okay.
Okay.
and
so
break these open first
okay.
before we lift it up off the ground.
Break them
Okay.
open.
Yeah.
Wait, are we supposed to do this first or you?
You can.
Okay.
You want to? Let me just guide you.
Hold on, let me move
hold
the
on.
weave.
This one now. That one don't look right either. None of them don't look right.
Oh, there are different sizes on
Yeah.
this thing.
All different sizes.
Okay, interesting.
Hold on, why am I
I
not
always thought that
finding it?
all lug tools are like protruding, so this is new.
You know what?
Okay,
I like
got it.
the lug tools on the trucks that have the spikes.
Yeah.
I think they make the trucks
Yes.
look really edgy.
They really do. They also look seriously dangerous.
Wait,
So-
That's
wait,
dangerous.
wait, can I stand
You
on
want
it
to
like
use?
what I see them do in the...
Boy, I know. Man, a friend of mine have a story about that.
Hold on. I see them do this. Hold me. Hold me.
I'm holding you.
Wait, but the...
I got you.
Okay,
you
no,
gotta
change my
put all
mind.
your weight on it.
I'm gonna have to...
You gotta put all your weight on it.
Would it sign a waiver? We have health insurance?
Bro, you have to put everything on there. You weigh like 90 pounds, you have to put everything
Is
on
that the
there.
right way?
Is this the right way?
Yeah.
Alright, hold on.
You have to pull it up.
The time starts yet? The time will start yet, right? No?
Let's go.
Okay.
Let me
You
give
got it.
Let me give it a try.
You got it.
6 months in the gym from 2022.
You got it, buddy. Oh, yeah, dog.
Wow.
What you mean?
Alright,
job.
period.
Period. Period.
You want to lose one too?
Hold on, I'm not done. Wait, I'm supposed to take it all the way off?
No, you don't have to take it all the way off. You just
We
break
don't,
them
we
now.
don't need this.
Break
for this
them
part,
down?
no?
Alright, so
Yeah, just
how
break
do
them.
I know when it's
You broke it, it's done.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, bumbo.
Oh, it's like a can of soda. You just have to
And guys,
break the seal
please,
and then
please,
turn
for
it
the love
off.
of God, remember to put the handbrake up before you start changing your tire.
Would they
That's
do that?
absolutely necessary.
Would it do that?
I feel like it's up. It's up.
Okay.
Yeah.
I see it from here.
Alright, I think it was the 21 millimeter side that we used.
So you want to pull
Okay.
one?
I'm so proud of
Oh, you
myself.
moved it already.
My arm was
Look
sweat.
at you.
Am I working out?
Yeah, work.
Yeah. Alright, Gia, let's
My
go.
wallet.
Let's go.
This is it's not. You can't step on this one though because of the.
You can no man turn. You can probably turn
can
it the
turn
other
it.
way.
I can't. Yeah.
Come let me help you.
Put it at a different angle.
Just come.
Yeah. Yeah.
That makes sense.
Yeah, hold on.
Is it
I'll find it here. See that? You can step on it now if you want.
okay?
Hold there, no. Make sure drop.
There you go.
Yes. So after do the rest, are you gonna do
No,
the rest?
but
I
on a
think we
savvy.
did one each,
Una savvy.
so that
Do
proves
these
that we
come out?
can do it.
Yeah.
You know.
These are able to come out. Or?
No, you don't take them out right
they
there.
said
So,
you're supposed to.
so you just crack
If
all
I
of them.
remember correctly, you're supposed to take them off when you jack up the car entirely.
That's the right one, man. The 21.
Thank you, audience. I'm learning.
Oh wait.
That's the 21.
Hold on, let me get out. Let me get out
You
the
can do
way.
this one.
I can do this one.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
We did one each. I don't think we need to do all of them. We proved
Look at
we
Sean
proved that
trying
we
his
can do it.
I'm not sure enough. I am clearly gargantuan. That is not
This is
a.
not a job for somebody with nails.
That too. You guys did it to
Oh.
nails. That's crazy.
I was saying this is not a job for like women with nails.
I mean, it could be.
What is happening
Because
here?
if you're a girl and your car broke down the road, more than likely a man are gonna stop and do it for you. But
Please call the
in
the-
case,
Call
in
it.
case
Call
they
it.
don't.
to come pick
In
you up
case
your
they
car. Don't be
don't.
changing no car
What
with
if it's
nails.
an emergency? You have to try. Let the girl them know
Oh,
say,
what is-
yeah,
oh,
your arm and nail and your
This
coffin
one
box them
isn't. This
safe.
one isn't coming off.
this one not coming off at all.
They're saying to knock it.
Knock the lug tool.
Is that like the secret formula?
What
No,
does
sir.
knocking it do?
Loosen it, I guess. I don't know.
No, I'm trying to pull it out.
How many
so-
do we have left? One,
2 more.
2 more. Okay.
Yeah.
How many is it? 5?
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 5. So we only have 2 left, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great.
Oh God. Oh God. I think they use a machine to
Sean
tighten
is just
these.
showing us up. He doesn't even need to do
I was
anything.
just about to say, I feel like it's kind of defeating the
Jesus.
purpose having him do most of the the lug tools.
That one would have been crazy for you guys. Yeah, man.
Don't
Okay.
say
See
that.
it, you know?
All right.
Okay,
so it's
what
out
now?
All right, so now it's time for the crank.
Which is
That.
Yes, ma'am.
murder. All right. Oh,
Where put those?
we need. All right. You see, the thing is, in my mind and in theory, I feel like I can do this by myself. No. Big and serious. Which direction? Clockwise?
I'm sure you are.
It's clockwise?
Wait,
I'm
wait,
always
wait,
ready
wait.
for the
I'm
clockwise?
sure
The
you
ladies,
are
I have
able
some-
to do it by yourself.
some knee pads, guys.
Is it clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clockwise.
Clockwise or again? Okay.
Wait, no. No, it'd be anti-clock. I was turning it
Anti-clockwise?
this way, yeah, yeah, anti-clock.
That way?
Yeah.
All right.
This is also not a job for somebody in a skirt.
Is this why this so loose? I was lied to. Oh wait, I'm doing it the wrong way.
No, you didn't the right way.
Wait, are you shifting it?
Yeah, because I think I'm loosening it.
No, man.
You
It's
said
on.
for
It's in between the.
anti-clockwise.
It's in between the The
Alright, hold on. Let me get.
Try
me-
the other direction.
When you can see what going on, Zozo?
Ooh,
Alright,
sorry,
wonderful.
Sean.
You okay, love? You
Try
want to
it
sit on the
this
other
way.
side?
Yeah.
Murder. This one?
Use your finger first.
Oh, Sean, you're not instruct me good, you know.
Ooh, your hair is touching the ground, girl. What?
Eek! Not the weave. Mechanical on. Jesus Christ. I was going the wrong direction.
Oh, you were?
Yes.
Fox.
You're
That's
telling me
crazy.
foolishness. See, that's why
Big
I
up
love
all the women
Right there, so.
mechanics and engineers out there. You guys have your job cut out
Right
for
there,
you.
so.
Well, no, I
You
thought
kind of
this-
have it. So,
Wait,
Keely, look at me. Look at me.
I'm trying.
Put that hand the other way.
The other.
So, this hand, put it like that. And
Okay,
then-
okay.
So you put more your weight from that side and put this way.
Period.
Yeah.
Oh, good job. You're teaching us good, Sean.
Oh, okay.
Is it moving?
Yeah.
Then move a little bit.
Hold on, they sell it for the car, right?
Yeah, man.
Combat, Hercules. No, man, hold on. Let me go this way. Somebody, anybody. Okay, hold
You
on.
have it, man.
Why do I feel so? All right, I just need to
The
get
further
like
up
a
it goes,
rhythm.
the harder it's going to get.
Oh, I just need to get like a rhythm. I feel so. I can't say. Oh.
You feel so what?
I feel so. You know what? No, it is not.
Attempt.
Woo!
It's not doing the, because when they do it, it looks so smooth
So
and
smooth?
easy, and it's just not doing that for me, and I don't like that.
You're not catching the rhythm?
Get it, yeah?
You seen it right here, guys. Seen it right here.
Somebody turn on one fan, but I sweat.
What is it?
Get away from
Yes,
me.
ma'am.
I mean, no, don't come back. We need you to finish. All right, Gio.
Get them, G.
There we go.
Get them, G. That is it.
See? That's
Oh,
why two is
God.
better than one sometimes. Is it
That
off
me
the
said
ground?
too.
It's off the ground. Is it?
know.
You're not even gonna hide on this, right? It's off the ground, right?
Can't
I
take
think
that off,
so.
no.
Should I put some more?
Yeah, a little bit more.
Yeah, look a bit more. Yeah. A
A
lot
lot
more?
more.
Murder.
Ah!
Huh?
I mean, I can do the
Any
rest if you guys want to know.
Huh?
I can do the rest if you guys want to know.
No, it defeats the purpose
problem.
of it.
Can we pause for drinks?
Yeah.
Can I get a glass of
My mouse
water,
says
please?
anybody?
Just a little water. Oh my gosh. This is enough. Yeah.
No,
Oh,
G.
thank God.
Yeah, I do the things too. You did this before?
Yes, Gia. Okay.
Take a bow, that was
What
good.
now?
What next?
No, we take out the lug tools completely, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Are they not out? How do you?
So you put it back in.
Oh, you have to use this.
The
Yeah.
key thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to use the key thing.
I think no, it's just like it's smoother. Hold on. Please. I want to do it. Move.
You want to do it?
Yeah. Cause this part
Oh,
easy.
no.
Okay, hold
It's
on.
21.
21.
21.
21.
21.
Do your thing.
Is which way again?
21, do your thing.
Yeah, man, you have it, man.
I feel so accomplished. All right,
Okay,
that's
great.
one.
Let's not lose those, please.
Don't
And
worry,
they're very
man.
easy to
Margaret, you
lose.
can buy more.
Usually better to put those one side so you don't kick them underneath the car. Any
Yeah.
ridiculousness.
Okay.
Trust me.
These get lost very easily.
This is what I wanted. You see this smooth transition, this spinningness, this beautifulness. This is what I wanted. Okay, rotted.
I eat that now.
You know what? It's actually kind of easy. You know, when you get the
The hang of it.
hang of it.
You
I
catch
think
that,
you
when you
just
catch
have
that
to know
rhythm.
what you're doing.
Yeah.
It's not
Yeah.
like a hard
It's not like a
task.
hard thing. The hardest part
You
for you
just
guys
need
is probably
to
like
know
the cracking.
steps. Yeah.
Don't-
And
Yeah.
pulling it. But you can pull the lug nuts if you put your body weight on it. So
And then a lot of the
that's not
times,
so
if you
bad.
guys, if you go to like tire shops and stuff like that, they use like the air, the pressure thing
Yeah.
and tighten it.
Is the
That
tire
will
just going
make
to
a
fall
mess
off?
of you.
No, we
No,
have
man.
to lift
Okay.
it off.
Alright. Yo, when you don't do this, if you don't have green arm, come here, sweat it. Oh my God.
Are you mad? I don't think they can take it off. G, you want?
Yeah. Yeah.
Bomba!
Hercules.
That's crazy.
You're a better woman than me. There we go.
I'm free.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's real quick. Pop the trunk, get
Alright.
the tile.
Okay. All right. I move this out of the way a little bit.
Lilliput.
Okay. All right. So I have to line it up.
With the
Oh God. Gia,
thing is,
you can show me up in a car. You know, I have no upper body strength. So
Joke thing. For you?
I wouldn't advise you put your arm on the
Don't
inner
put don't
inside.
put your hand on the inside.
First of all,
Lift with
Yeah,
your knees,
both
not your back.
your
oh,
knees.
Gia lift up this a while ago.
Lift with your knees, not your back.
Exactly what she's saying. Yeah, get it done, you know.
You want me to try?
G,
No.
G, G,
Okay.
I
G,
got this.
G.
Wait,
G,
why I
get it
can't
done,
put my
you know.
hand at the back?
Get it done.
All right, hold on.
You have it. Wait. I think you need to spin it just a touch.
Wait, it's in there to
It's
some
in some.
extent. My titty out of there? All right, hold on.
I don't think.
Oh, there we go. I see what's wrong.
Got it?
Got it?
Nope.
Almost there. I think
Oh
you have
my
it now.
God, Jesus, Mary, and Joseph. Somebody take this from me. No.
You want some help, love?
Wait. Give me a second. I got this.
Come on, don't give up.
No, because then no.
This is a
We're not doing this.
I'm hot.
I'm sweating like a whore in church. Okay.
Wow.
I cannot see.
Big up the record people and the
When am I do this on the roadside? Am I
people that come
flashlights?
to assist you on the
No.
roadside.
I cannot see anything. Okay, guys. We're gonna take a little break.
A quick intermission.
Which one?
Quick intermission.
Quick intermission, guys.
S'il vous please.
We're gonna take a break. Just so forward. I'm not stop till I get this on and I open the door that. So if I'm out till 12 o'clock, that's I go on.
Your style, your crew, your vibe. They say a lot about you, and so does the rum you choose. Be selective. Experience the new gold standard of rum with Worthy Park Select. 100% copper pot distilled, aged, and blended to perfection. Embrace your selectively curated lifestyle with Worthy Park Select, the new gold standard. Available island-wide. Must be 18 years older to drink. Drink responsibly.
You got it? Good job.
Good job.
Woo! Finally, yes.
That is it.
Okay, so we have to put these back on now, right?
Yeah.
I'm afraid it drop off. I'm gonna put them on quick. Can you see? Okay, so one's here, here, and there. Alright.
You grab one.
Oh. Ew.
Yeah.
My hand.
That's what happens,
Wait,
girl.
direction. Oh, this way?
This way.
Alright.
With the
And
key facing out.
it's clockwise.
Yeah, I think so.
Clockwise, yeah. I don't think I'm doing it right. Stop.
Yeah,
Might
when you
just be
start, when you
might
start
just be
screening
the
time.
angle.
When you
Okay.
start screening time, you'll be
I
fine.
think this is the one that was stuck, you know. Okay.
Got him.
Alright.
Got him.
You think some nigga trust you for tighten back him tire?
But that was it.
Wait, what?
Yours not going in?
I don't know if it's the threading or something. Just
Could be the
seems.
third in.
Woo!
See?
Oh!
That's the third in, man.
Murder!
That's the third in.
What a shame. Trials and tribulations.
Catch it?
No.
No.
You're not catching on tall.
No.
Yeah, reactive.
I'm
Watch
a
it.
kinda. You know what say?
Let's screw on one
My car
first.
would never do this to me, okay? Hold on. Does that, you feel like
It's
it
a
catch?
very laborious task.
Mm-hmm. Laborious.
Big up the men.
I don't think this one though, I don't think this one is in.
But this one don't look like it catch you. Oh no, G catch them. Oh, no,
Or not. What is going on?
No, it's.
No, once
it
you
might be
tighten,
the threading. I
once you tighten one onto them, they're all gone.
You know what? I made the right choice never changing a tire. Because what is this?
Look at your nose.
It's sweating, don't it?
Oh my god.
No.
This the funny one.
Yeah,
21.
try it. Because it's not
Do you
working with
think
just the
21?
hands. Oh. Hold on. Let me hold it.
Is this working or no?
Can
Is
you?
it even?
You feel
working?
it?
No.
It's spinning, but I don't feel like it's going down.
Doesn't seem like
Try
it's
this one.
tightening.
Try this one.
Oh, it came off.
Try
That
this one
definitely
instead.
didn't. Which one? This one?
Yeah, that one.
I don't even want.
I think that one already catch the thread.
There it. Nope, it's
No,
going.
sir.
Are we going the wrong
Maybe
way?
I got the wrong way, it must be.
Ow!
What just happened
Did you
I
hit?
just hit my knuckles with the
with
Oh,
the
the
machine?
lug too.
this. Sorry, I can't curse.
Which direction does this go?
I don't. This a piss me off, you know, man.
Left the Lucy.
Which direction did we spin it a while ago to loosen it?
Left.
Left. So it's that way. Careful, JR. It's not going down on the screw thing,
The treading.
the threading. The threading.
Mm-hmm. Threading or treading.
Okay.
I used to just do this with an impact. What do you call it? Impact gun. This is so much harder.
The impact gun?
Yes.
Oh, this one caught.
Oh,
Damn.
thank God.
Yeah. Oh, Ross. I mean. Oh no.
Oh no.
Is it? I'm never in my life doing this again. This is why
I'm sweating.
I am sweating so bad. Sean,
This is
help
nice.
me.
This is nice. This is nice.
Okay.
So,
Huh?
get in there.
I don't know.
I'll get in there. I'll fix it.
Can I get a hand, please, Sean? Thank you.
I'll get it, man. Don't worry. I'll get it. I'll get them.
The who can do it better than I go. It now go well at all. I need a napkin. My face is sweaty.
This is
Hello?
crazy.
Oh, oop, Jesus.
Miss Lady.
Not the makeup.
Not the makeup.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's just. I guess it's just strength. Right? That's why I
I'm
said I
never
feel so
doing
sorry
this
for the
ever
men because
again.
nobody ever stops.
No, you know what?
It's-
You
it's-
have
I
some
feel
you know
sorry for
bros
them,
that
but
will
also
stop.
like you could stop and they
Don't
could
know.
kill you. So
Man,
I,
I left
I'm
the
not gonna
Virgin. Man, I
stop.
left the Virgin Rabbi Road ever. Don't know.
Jesus.
True.
I don't know. They have people for this. I'm
They
not.
got people
The
for this.
AA people.
I'm not. I thought this was gonna be a
Triple
cute
A.
little onesie.
It's a
I'm
triple A.
never doing this again.
Insurance. The yellow.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Don't know what you're talking
The
about.
yellow company.
Yeah, don't know what you're
Call
talking
and
about.
they come with a record.
Uptown.
You know what? I think it's inconsiderate to change your own tire because if I do it, I'm taking
inconsiderate.
somebody's job away.
You know,
that's,
facts.
That's
Facts.
selfish.
Facts.
It's just wrong.
Why would you need that man?
What?
Why would you
Isn't
need
that
that
what
man?
it's called?
Why would you say that?
Like if you change that yourself, why would you need that man?
I don't know what you're getting at. I don't.
Alright, boss.
Thank you, Sean. We appreciate you so much.
Come on. Not fully.
This one,
Just enough.
this one, this.
That's enough.
All of them?
Okay, so we've tightened
Just
3
enough.
of 5. Is this enough to put it on the ground?
Yeah.
To then tighten the other 2?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, you
Because
sure
I got-
the bottom
Let me
one?
tell you, I got all of these already somewhat down. So it can go down and you
Do
can tighten it the rest of the way.
the bottom one a little bit more. It looks like it's protruding. This one is protruding out the most. I don't feel
Those
like
2
it's.
aren't tight.
Yeah. There you go.
See that?
Okay.
It's on the
But
threading.
with 3,
Oh, yeah,
with
yeah,
3
yeah, yeah.
ties, I don't feel like it can run away.
Yeah, little them box, and then when the tire drop, it tight.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
I'm afraid it will just like
So
fall
what
off.
do we put down?
Yeah, lower,
down the
lower
car,
no. So
This will
wind,
be much easier
wind it down.
Much.
than going up.
Opposite direction, no?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
That's it. There we go.
Yay!
Find the rhythm.
Get it.
Are you working?
Yeah, it's coming down. It's coming down. My hand is so dirty.
Right.
Alright, so just go like halfway. Or a little bit less and I'll just come and finish it off for you.
So I must stop.
Whenever you feel like.
Oh, I figured I would just make it go on the ground.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Whew. Should I have somebody a pat with face? Hot? Sweating? My weave has stuck to my face.
It's rough. Mechanic work even worse.
I look like I'm in shambles. Yay! It's going down so fast.
Yeah, this is the easier
Gio.
part right now.
Yeah.
Most of the pressure
It,
come off
don't,
right.
it doesn't
Get it,
take,
get it,
this
get
one
it.
doesn't take much like strength.
There you go. And then you do that now.
I think they call it a Y jack.
Can pull
I'm
it
not sure.
down.
Why?
Yeah.
Why?
Why, Jack?
No, why? Why? Why is it called that?
No clue. Probably because the weight come up.
Like a why?
It doesn't look like a Y. It looks like a diamond.
You like a diamond?
Yeah. Like
But get
that.
better name for it.
That don't look like a Y. Whew. See?
I've seen a car bend one of these.
Yeah.
For real?
Like it
yeah, you
slipped
put
off.
it up and well, it was on gravel, so the weight underneath it moved and it bent it.
So it's supposed to
Just
So we
secure them
tighten
back,
these
you know
now,
what I'm saying?
right?
Yeah, you tighten these now. So the key here.
20.
Jesus,
21.
I'm hot.
Which direction? This way, right?
Yeah, man. No, that way. Wait,
Huh?
yeah. No.
This
Sorry.
way.
Just do your thing. Do your thing.
It's this way.
Yeah, man.
Which way?
Where the-
Right it tighty.
No, but it's this way, right?
Yeah. And like you have to.
Sean
You have
tightened it,
to
you know, so you may not need to do anything
also,
else.
no. You have to. You
Yeah.
have to tighten it a little
Oh.
bit more. So like
You
you
have
have
to
to lock
come
it.
The
stand-
ones that you
You have to
tighten.
come
Yeah,
stand up.
you have to
You have to
lock
come
it.
stand up on it, Junior.
Oh.
Bookie juices, what line day?
Yeah.
Alright,
So that lock now.
that lock? Mark just
As lock as it can possibly
Mark
be
just,
changing time by
just
itself.
drive slow when I go.
Just
You see me?
drive slow, bro.
Don't speed on the
Don't
toes.
speed, don't, no sharp turns, you see me? Okay.
That's 21.
I don't want to do
Think so.
anymore. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like I lived
What
the
do you have more to
experience.
do?
I've had enough. I have. You're doing amazing though, Gio.
You're doing so well, sweetie.
You're doing amazing, sweetie.
Oh, this one has a lot.
Yeah, man.
Oh.
I left those ones slack.
Leave them stuck.
Yeah.
Are you going to stand on it to like fully tighten it?
I don't have
No,
to
I'm
do
just
that.
gonna make Sean tighten
Okay.
everything afterwards.
I don't have to do that.
The thing is, I feel like in a situation where I have no other choice, I would definitely get it done one way or the other. But right now,
Not it. Not it.
I feel traumatized. I feel
No, but I can't really start. That's the same one, right?
yeah. Yeah.
I
don't
can't
know.
stand up on
I
it.
feel
though.
bamboozled because in my
You?
mind, because
No,
I know
if I
the
stand up on
steps,
it,
I always
it's
thought it
gonna
would have
be
been
too
so
much,
easy.
yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be too much.
Yay.
That is it.
Have at it.
That is it. That is it. Bet you any money so I'm not even for doing nothing. Watch it.
We'll see.
Make you
Oh,
see.
let me go in the other part.
Let's see.
Make you see. Make you see. Not no G.
Boy.
Not G.
Yeah.
Not G. That one have little bit.
Yeah.
That one have little
I
bit.
literally untightened one. I did one and gave up.
Yeah, little bit. This one.
Yeah.
No, but this is good. This is
That's
good.
the one I did.
How
I
long
know there
did
should
this
be
take?
some
This
there.
took way longer than 15 minutes.
Oh yeah, that one is
Ooh,
good.
mine was tied properly.
That one is good.
Mine
That
was
one is
tied
good.
properly.
Yeah, that one is good.
Nice.
Yeah, yours are good.
Woo!
Yeah, man, not bad, guys. Not bad. Not bad. Not
That's
bad.
how you do it, ladies.
Round
bad,
of
not bad.
applause.
I think.
That is it.
You know, actually, I feel like I was being a little bit dramatic, but that was very. It was very strenuous on my
quite
delicate
arduous, man.
body.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know. I don't ever want to do
I'm
this
hot,
again.
I'm tired, and this was a very dirty activity. I can't, not doing this again.
How do you think we did though, guys?
Yes,
Comment.
please comment
Be
below.
That's that rough work.
Be nice.
Let us
That's
know
not
if
rough
you
work.
guys would have done
That's not rough
anything
work.
differently, what we could have done
Looks
to
like
make
chunk.
the task easier, to go faster. Of course, we have to say thank you to Sean,
Big up everybody.
who
Don't know.
we could not have done without today. Thank you so
Most
much, Sean.
definitely.
We
Respectfully.
appreciate you.
Respectfully, man. Respectfully.
So before we go, thank you guys so much for watching. You know we couldn't do this without you guys. Big up to our sponsors, The Bar, The Bridge, Dacx, Worthy Park, and of course Izzy for making us beautiful every week. Thank you guys so much for watching.
And
We'll see you
next week.
Wait, don't forget, tune in next week to see Sean do the opposite of
Embarrass
whatever.
You got this.
But yes, tune in next week. We have a lot more in store for you guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.